Meet Anirudh, an 11th grade student with PCM, which he now thinks may have been the worst decision he made in his life. He has had anxiety since 9th grade, but the stress of school, college, and his life at home all boil over during exams. Most of us refer to this anxiety as exam anxiety, and this is not only Anirudh's story, but the story of nearly 500 million students according to global estimates, including data from UNESCO. And one of those students is me.
Namaskar, I am Viraj Bharadwaj.
And I am Anirudh Singh.
We are Team Mindbridge and we present our project for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 known as AdaptEd.
Under the theme Samariddh Bharat.
Most education-based apps add support later on. We build support into every screen to make sure every child can learn with confidence. Here is a 60-second breakdown of the app.
Start the onboarding experience by choosing your accessibility profile. Then, we start off with a breathing exercise to calm students down, after which you have to do an exam anxiety assessment to analyze your anxiety levels, which will tailor the app experience for you. Then, just fill in your details, select your grade and your favorite subject. Now, moving on to the dashboard containing all the vital data you will need along with the AI tutor, which has answers to all of your questions. Now, moving on to the Learning Hub, this includes various features, including LearnFlow, with the ability to create personalized learning paths for you, in which you just need to choose your subject, your chapters for which you need to create a path. Similarly, you have flashcards as well, in which just choose your chapter and flashcards containing key concepts will appear. Then, for analytics, you have a visual representation of all the vital data you need to track progress. Moving on to the Wellness Hub, this will be directly connected to our AdaptEd products, showing vitals and biometrics, which will connect to your app experience, in which we will be talking about later on. Thank you. We have built a 5-year plan that will work towards our one main goal, which is to establish adaptive learning for all.
In our first year, we would focus on deploying our app to various institutions, and our target is at least 50.
In our second year, we will be focusing on conducting various surveys throughout our established schools to work on the user experience and to ensure that our app is working properly.
In our third year, we would focus on expanding our user base through proper advertising and also launch the AdaptEd band, which will have simple pulse monitoring features that can track anxiety levels, which can be accessed in the Wellness Hub as introduced in the app demo.
In our fourth year, we will start focusing on research and development by working with experts in various fields, including psychologists, therapists, and educational institute teachers to start working towards providing more capabilities for different disabilities like cognitive disabilities, auditory disabilities, motor disabilities, and visual disabilities.
For our fifth year and ahead, we will focus on working towards our main goal, which is adaptive learning for all. Now the big question is, how will we reach these students? So we focus on deploying our app to NGOs, schools and private institutions, and so as each will be provided a separate class key that will help link the students to their teachers.
Now, linking students to their teachers is extremely important because once a student is connected, the teachers of the respective subjects of each class will be able to access the data of every student. While the students will be an individual, they will have their own personalized learning experiences.
So, to sum it all up, by training students to calm themselves down before any test or examination using our breathing exercises and providing them support using our AI tutor and giving them access to create personalized learning experiences through LearnFlow, we intend to take the first steps towards creating adaptive learning experiences for each individual child.